Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which device is used to measure the depth of sea and ocean? A. Gravimeter, B. Gyroscope, C. Fathometer, and D. Dilatometer. The correct answer is fathometer. A fathometer is a device that measures the depth of water, such as an ocean or sea. It works by sending a sound wave into the water and measure how long it takes for the sound wave to return as an echo. Question number 2. The first Indian university was opened in 1857 was in A. Chennai, B. Bihar, C. Mumbai, and D. Kolkata. The correct answer is Kolkata. The Indian university that was established in the year 1857 was University of Calcutta. It was established on January 24, 1857. Lord Canning was its first chancellor. Judionath Bose and Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay became the first graduate of the university. Question number 3. Which type of lake is formed by volcanic activities? A. Caldera lake, B. Karst lake, C. Lagoon, and D. Freshwater lake. The correct answer is Caldera lake. Caldera refers to a large basin-shaped crater that is bound by steep cliffs. The caldera best known in North America is Crater Lake. Question number 4. In a solar or a lunar eclipse, the region of Earth's shadow is divided into A. 5 parts, B. 3 parts, C. 6 parts, and D. 4 parts. The correct answer is 3 parts. In a solar or lunar eclipse, the region of Earth's shadow is divided into the umbra, where the light from the star is completely blocked, and a nimbura, where only the portion of the light is blocked. Beyond the end of the umbra is a region called the antumbra. Question number 5. What shape are goat's pupils? A. Circular, B. Rectangular, C. Square, and D. None of these. The correct answer is rectangular. Question number 6. The National Sport Festival for Women was for the first time organized in A. 1970, B. 1978, C. 1975, and D. 1982. The correct answer is 1975. The National Sports Festival for Women was started in 1975 as a part of celebration of International Women Year by the Government of India to boost women participation in game and sports. Question number 7. What type of mirror is used in anti-soft-lifting devices? A. Concave mirror, B. Plane mirror, C. Spherical mirror, and D. Convex mirror. The correct answer is convex mirror. The anti-soft lifting devices typically use convex mirror because they provide a wide field of view, allowing security personnel to monitor a large area of store and detect potential soft lifter by making them aware they are being watched. This is also known as fisheye mirror or dome mirror. Question number 8. Which of the following glands is located in the brain that regulates sleep cycle? A. Pineal gland, B. Thyroid gland, C. Pituitary gland, and D. Adrenal gland. The correct answer is pineal gland. The pineal gland is the gland in the brain that regulates sleep cycles. It is located in the middle of the brain beneath the back part of the corpus callosum. The pineal gland is a part of the endocrine system. It produces melatonin, a hormone that helps you feel sleepy and ready for bed. Question number 9. Halley Comet complete one revolution around the sun in A. 40 years, B. 46 years, C. 65 years, and D. 76 years. The correct answer is 76 years. Question number 10. Who among the following considered as the father of artificial intelligence? A. Charles Babbage, B. Lee D. Forrest, C. John McCarthy, and D. J.P. Eckhart. The correct answer is John McCarthy. Question number 11. What is the name of port that is used for printer? A. Parallel port, B. Primary port, C. Power port, and D. Pin port. The correct answer is parallel port. Question number 12. Name a gas which is used in the fermentation of sugar. A. Ammonia, B. Butane, C. Propane, and D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. The gas produced during the fermentation of the sugar is carbon dioxide. When yeast ferment sugar, it breaks down the sugar molecules into the ethanol and carbon dioxide gas, which is released as a byproduct. Question number 13. Which of the following country have a square-shaped flag? A. Uganda, B. Switzerland, C. China, Chile, and D. Finland. The correct answer is Switzerland. Question number 14. Name the scientist who had discovered that Earth revolves around the Sun. A. Copernicus, B. Marconi, C. J. Kepler, D. James Arkwright. The correct answer is Copernicus. In 1543, Nicholas Copernicus detailed his radial theory of the universe, in which the Earth along with other planets rotated around the Sun. His theory took more than a century to become widely accepted. Question number 15. How many judges are there in International Court of Justice? A. 10, B. 15, C. 12, and D. 8. The correct answer is 15. The court is composed of 15 judges who are elected for term of office of 9 years by the United Nations General Assembly and the Security Council. It is assisted by a registry, its administrative organ. Question number 16. Which part of the digestive system absorbs the majority of water from digested food? A. Stomach, B. Large intestine, C. Small intestine, and D. Pancreas. The correct answer is small intestine. The wall of small intestine absorbs water and a digestive nutrient into your bloodstream. A peristalsis continue the waste products of the digestive process move into the large intestine. Question number 17. Which of the following hormones is produced by the adrenal gland during stress? A. Estrogen, B. Cortisol, C. Progesterone, and D. Insulin. The correct answer is cortisol. Cortisol is a steroid hormone that helps regulate blood pressure, blood sugar, and the body immune response. It is also known as stress hormone because it releases into the bloodstream when you are stressed. Question number 18. Which organ is responsible for producing glucagon? A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Pancreas, and D. Adrenal gland. The correct answer is pancreas. The pancreas is a large gland located behind the stomach. Glucagon is a hormone that your pancreas makes to help regulate your blood glucose levels. Glucagon increases your blood sugar level and prevents it from dropping too low, whereas insulin and other hormones decrease blood sugar levels. Question number 19. Who invented the wireless telegraphy, radio and wireless message. A. G. Marconi, B. A. Fermi, C. Galileo and D. Einstein. The correct answer is G. Marconi. Marconi first telegraph transmitter was built when he was 16-year old. In 1895, Marconi used radio waves to transmit signal over several kilometers. In 1896, he received the first patent for wireless telegraphy in England. In 1902, he patented the first radio receiver, which he called a magnetic detector. Question number 20. What is the name of the gas used in high-speed photography? A. Nitrous oxide, B. Krypton, C. Xenon and D. Radon. The correct answer is krypton. Krypton is a noble gas that produces a bright flash when electric current is passed through it, making it suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects in photography. Krypton is also used in some types of fluorescent light and can be combined with mercury to create a luminous sign. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.